This how to 1 minute will show you how to make banner for Discord server for free. To make your Discord banner for free, you have to open this website canva.com, and if you're first time here, create a brand new account and then click on the search box and type here Discord banner. And here you will find lots of free and paid Discord banner samples. So all you have to do is just pick a free one from this list and click on customize this template. Once you are in this editing page, you can select any element from here and you will be able to edit them easily. You can add any extra elements from here. You can add text to your banner from here. So all you have to do is just customize this banner from here and click on share, click on download, and file type select PNG or JPG and click on download. And here you can see the banner has been successfully downloaded. So that's how you can make Discord server banner for free. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.